Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app. To know how to fix your issues or problems that you have on Facebook Lite app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to Facebook Lite. Then you'll enter to first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.